Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Fine. And you?
Okay, I am well, thank you. Okay, first of all, before we start our lessons today, let's we pray together. Who is the leader? Okay, Ashifa, please lead your friend to pray together.
Greeting to our teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let's open our breakfast by reciting to Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, well, now I will check your attendance first. Alma Dina Putri. Okay. Arwah Hafizah. Zakia Makfirah. Gaida Fadila Syifa. Okay. Jihan Salsabila. Oh. Doesn't come ya. Naura. Okay. Salsabila. Khairunisa. Sausan Afra. Okay. Soimata Kia. Ashifa. Kesha Syafia. Kesha Syafia. Okay. Naila Faras. Okay. Kisha. Okay. Aisyah. Vina. Alifa. Okay. Well, guys, I have ice breaking for you. So please stand up. Okay. Now listen carefully my instruction. Yeah. Okay. If I say good morning, okay, you must give me one clap and say yes. You got a point? Okay. Let's follow me. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. The second instruction is if I say good afternoon, so you must give me 2 claps and say okay. You get a point? Okay, let's try. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. If I say good evening, so you must give me 3 claps and say excellent. Okay? Okay, let's try. Good evening. Excellent. Good evening. Excellent. Okay. Now we try together. Okay. Be focused. Be focused. Okay. Good morning. Yes. Good morning. Yes. Good afternoon. Okay. Good evening. Excellent. Good evening. Excellent. Morning. Yes. Miss tadi bilangnya apa? Kalau good morning. Tadi Miss bilangnya morning. Oke. Okay, once more ya. Once more, be focused. Okay, good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon. Okay. Good evening. Okay, give applause for us. Okay, well, okay. I have question for you. So, what did we learn last week? Apa yang sudah kita pelajari minggu lalu? Giving? Okay, giving suggestion. So please give me an example how to give suggestion to someone. Anybody remember? Ada yang masih ingat? Bagaimana caranya memberi suggestion? Ayo. Oke, Zakia?
You should take rest.
Okay, you should take rest. Is it right? Yes. Okay. We can use should if we want to give someone suggestion. Ya, kita bisa menggunakan should. Sebaiknya, seharusnya, begitu ya. Oke. Please remember it ya. Okay, now look at the slide here. Okay, what is it? Tentang apa sih ini? Tentang birthday. Okay. So, this one? Dinner. Have you ever been invited to dinner? Ever? Ever. Okay. So, or have you ever invited someone to your special moment? I think your special event. Pernah nggak mengundang atau mengajak kerabat atau saudara atau teman dalam sebuah acara yang kalian ingin adakan? Pernah? Pernah. Okay. Now, how do you invite someone? Gimana caranya? Apa langsung tarik aja? No. So, ada yang pernah? Bagaimana caranya? Hah? Apa? Nisa? From message. Oke. Okay. Kalau langsung gimana? Oke, apa? Would you like to come my special event? Okay, I think would you like to come would you like to come in my birthday party? Okay, or let's come to my birthday party, gitu ya? Bisa seperti itu. Okay, well. To increase your understanding about it. So, kira-kira ya, based on the picture that you saw right now, what will we discuss today? Apa yang mau kita bahas tentang hari ini? How to invite someone. Okay, that's right. Okay, expression of invite someone to do something. Okay. Nah, jadi hari ini kita akan membahas tentang ekspresi mengundang seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu. Ya. So, to increase your understanding about expression of invite someone to do something, I will show you a video. Okay, please listen carefully. Take your book, okay, take your book, and then make a note the important things that you get from this video. Are you ready? Ready. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, wait a moment ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my students, welcome back to my English class. How are you today? I hope you are fine. We are going to continue the next chapter. Are you ready? Let's check it out. To invite someone to do something. Tapi sebelum masuk pembahasan, mari simak percakapan berikut ini.
You are coming at my party, aren't you?
Yes, I am. Thanks for inviting me.
Dari percakapan tersebut, terlihat Jane mengundang John untuk datang ke pestanya, dan John menerima dengan senang hati undangan tersebut. Dari percakapan tersebut terdapat ungkapan expression of invitation, yaitu to invite someone to do something. Baiklah siswa sekalian, materi kita hari ini ada pada KD 3.3 dan 4.3. Kemudian tujuan pembelajarannya, siswa dapat mengidentifikasi penggunaan would you like dan likes yang melibatkan seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu, serta bagaimana meresponnya. Yang kedua, siswa dapat menggunakan ungkapan tersebut. Yang ketiga, siswa dapat menuliskan kalimat terkait ungkapan tersebut. Dan yang terakhir, siswa dapat menyusun dialog singkat sederhana terkait dengan ungkapan meminta atau mengajak seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu. To invite someone to do something berarti mengundang seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu. Jadi, to invite someone to do something, maka kita menggunakan expression of invitation. Jadi siswa sekalian, ketika kita mengundang atau mengajak seseorang melakukan sesuatu, bergabung dalam suatu aktivitas, atau mengajak pergi ke suatu tempat, maka kita menggunakan ungkapan inviting someone. And we can use to... Mari simak contoh berikut ini. The first one. Would you like to come to my party? Akankah kamu datang ke pestaku? Ini merupakan bentuk invitation. Mari kita simak contoh kedua. Would you like to join us? Akankah kamu bergabung dengan kami? Would you like di sini merupakan ajakan untuk bergabung. We are going to the next example. Number 3. Let's go to Jane's house. Ayo kita ke rumah Jane. Ini merupakan bentuk ajakan atau undangan untuk datang ke rumah Jane. And the last example. Let's walk together. Ayo kita jalan bersama. That's all some example that we can use to invite someone to do something. Next one, how to respond. Bagaimana cara kita meresponnya? Kita boleh menerima atau menolak undangan yang disampaikan ke kita. Jadi, ada dua respon yang kita gunakan, yaitu yang pertama, accepting invitation, yaitu menerima undangan. Dan yang kedua, declining invitation, yaitu menolak undangan. So, we have an example of responding expression of invitation. Let's see the explanation. The first one, accepting invitation. Ungkapan menerima undangan. The first one, yes Zaya, thanks for inviting me. Ya, terima kasih telah mengundangku. The second one, sure, I'm coming. Tentu, saya datang. The third one, yes, I would like to join. Ya, saya akan bergabung. The fourth one, I would like to come. Saya akan datang. And the last one, that would be very nice. Sepertinya akan sangat menyenangkan. Itulah beberapa contoh yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menerima undangan atau accepting invitation. Lalu bagaimana contoh respon untuk menolak undangan atau declining invitation? Mari simak pembahasan berikut ini. Contoh penggunaan declining invitation. The first one, I'm sorry, I'm not feeling well today. Saya minta maaf, saya merasa tidak baik hari ini. The second example, unfortunately, I can't join. Sayangnya, saya tidak bisa bergabung. Contoh ketiga, I would like to come, but bla bla bla. Saya ingin datang, tetapi... Contoh keempat, sorry, I'm busy this moment. Maaf, saya sangat sibuk saat ini. Dan contoh terakhir, thank you for asking me, but... Terima kasih telah mengundangku, tapi itulah beberapa contoh kalimat atau ungkapan yang bisa kita gunakan jika kita menolak undangan atau
ini kalau berdiri kira-kira dekat dengan mejanya. Kira-kira jarak.
Would you like to go with me to watch concert?
Sorry, I will have a test on Thursday.
Let's go to the new bookstore.
Okay, I'd love to go.
Now, let's see the differences between formal and informal expression of inviting.
Okay.
When you want to invite a friend to a party, what do you say? Listen to this story and learn how to make invitations in American English. Yesterday I had a dinner party.
Ini adalah perbedaan ya antara informal dan formal invitation.
Would you like to come?
Sure, that sounds great.
I also invited my friend. Do you want to come to my dinner party tonight?
Sure.
Then I called my sister. Want to come to my dinner party tonight?
Of course.
Here are 3 ways to make an invitation in American English. A formal way is would you like to plus a verb. We sometimes use this question with people we don't know well. In these cases, we often try to be more polite than we would be if with a close friend or relative. Would you like to go to the museum with me? Would you like to come to my barbecue? A less formal way is do you want to plus a verb. Do you want to eat lunch with me? Do you want to go to the concert with us? The most informal way is wanna plus a verb. We use wanna in spoken American English or sometimes when text messaging, but not in formal written American English. Wanna play soccer with us? Wanna go to the movies?
Okay, my students, that's all our material today. And don't forget to take care of your health from COVID-19. See you and goodbye.
Okay. After watching the video, so how to invite someone? Okay, we can use would you like and then let's ya. Ada dua yang bisa kita pakai secara garis besar, tapi sebenarnya ada banyak ya. Ada banyak yang kalimat yang bisa kita gunakan untuk mengajak seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu atau untuk menghadiri sesuatu, begitu ya. Yang pertama, there are would you like and then let's ya. Nah, kemudian ada berapa macam ekspresi mengajak atau mengundang seseorang? There are 2 kinds ya. There are 2 kinds. They are informal and then formal expression ya. Biasanya ya, if you want to invite someone ya or your friends that you know well ya, so you can use formal expression. Kalau misalnya bersama dengan teman, kemudian dengan orang yang sudah dekat begitu ya, kita bisa menggunakan informal expression. Jadi, let's go, atau do you want to go to party with me, misalnya begitu ya. Pakai do you want atau let's atau could you come begitu. Could you come to my dinner gitu ya. Atau yang lainnya. But if you want to invite someone that you don't know well or the older people atau orang yang lebih tua, so you can use formal expression of invitation. Ya, seperti tadi would you like ya. Jadi kita nggak bisa kalau misalnya mengajak orang yang belum kita kenal baik begitu ya, atau seseorang yang lebih tua. Ya, kita menggunakan langsung let's. Oke. Let's mister. Nah, itu kan kurang sopan ya. So you can use formal and informal expression. Oke, tergantung based on the situation ya, tergantung situasi dan siapa yang kita ajak bicara. Oke, is it clear for you? Clear? Oke. Now Okay, prepare your book, please. Okay, before we start our worksheet, please look at the slide here. Nah, okay, yeah. So if we want to invite someone, yeah, there is responses to invitation. Ya, jadi kita bisa menolak atau menerima. Begitu tadi ya penjelasannya. Bisa menolak atau menerima. Okay. For the example, would you like to go to the movies this weekend? Ya. Kalau kita mau menerima, ya, atau accepting invitation, menerima ajakan atau menerima undangan, kita bisa menggunakan kalimat sure, I would love to. That sounds great. Yes, I'd like that. That's be great. Begitu ya. Kalau kita misalnya accepting atau menerima ajakan itu. But if we want to refuse atau menolak, ya, tadi ada declining expression. Iya, jadi kita bisa menolaknya. Bagaimana menolaknya? Kita bisa menggunakan sorry, I can't. I appreciate the invite, but I can't. Jadi kita berterima kasih dulu sama yang mengundang kita, ya. Tetapi kita ungkapkan atau sampaikan bahwa kita tidak bisa menerima ajakan. Mungkin ada hal lain yang perlu kita lakukan, begitu ya. I would love to, but I have got another plans. Kita punya acara lain, nah, kita bisa berterima kasih dulu, ya. Kita bisa mengungkapkan terima kasih dulu sudah mengajak kami atau sudah mengundang kita, begitu ya. Baru kita utarakan kenapa kita tidak bisa, begitu. I'm busy this weekend, maybe another time. Begitu ya. Oke, let's read the following table to know the differences formal and informal expression of invitation. Jadi ada ungkapan invitation, ya. Kemudian ada cara menerima dan cara menolaknya di dalam konteks formal dan informal. Oke, Arwa, please read formal situation yang garis pertama, yang baris pertama.
Would you like to
Bla bla bla. Oke.
That's very kind of you.
Iya. Iya, accepting and refusing.
I'm very sorry. I don't think I can.
Oke. Oke, so Shiva, read the informal situation.
Why don't you come to blah blah blah?
And then the accepting.
I will or will blah blah blah. Sorry, I can't.
Oke. Why don't you come to? Nah, kita bisa pakai itu kalau dia sifatnya informal, ya, atau dengan teman atau dengan orang yang sudah kita kenal dekat, begitu ya. Bisa pakai why don't you come to? And then if we want to accepting, I would atau I will bla bla bla. Kalau kita mau menolak, sorry I don't, sorry I can't, gitu ya. Atau like to come to. How about tomorrow morning? And then let's meet at bla bla bla, begitu ya. Kalau kita mau menggunakan informal expression, but if we want to invite someone to older people or to someone that we don't know well, kita belum tahu banget ya, lebih sopannya kita pakai yang formal. What you like to bla 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 bla, and then what you come to bla bla bla, ya, seperti itu. We should be pleased or delighted, bla 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 bla, begitu ya. Oke, you got a point, students? Oke. Okay, now please prepare your book. Okay. I will show you a video, ya. Look at the video, then analyze the social function, ya, social functionnya, kegunaannya, maksud atau tujuannya, begitu ya. Tujuan dari video itu apa sih? Mau mengundang apa sih? Tentang apa sih? Begitu ya. Intinya tentang apa, begitu ya. And define which one the expression of inviting someone and its response. Is it clear? Ya. Jadi nanti Miss tayangkan video about inviting someone, ya. Please analyze and define social function or purpose, maksud dari dialog tersebut, and then write the expression of inviting. Jadi kalian tuliskan bagian yang mana yang merupakan ekspresi mengundang atau mengajak. Dan responnya. Responnya dia menolakkah atau menerima. Are you ready? Okay, ready? Silakan disiapkan bukunya. Kita mulai ya.
Inviting others. Number 1.
Hi, Peter. How are you? Hey, Dan. I'm well, thank you. How about you? I heard that you won the first prize in the chemistry contest. Congratulations. I couldn't be better. Thanks, Peter. I'm having a party this weekend to celebrate the prize. I would love for you to come if you can make it. Of course. I'd love to join. Where and when will the party be held? We're having a party at my house. Come around 6 p.m. Is there any dress code? No, not a big deal. I just want to share the moment with everyone. See you there. Thanks, Dan.
Number 2.
Hi, it's me, Greg, your neighbor. Hi, Greg. How are you? I'm Matthew. Great, and you? I'm good. My family just moved in yesterday, so we are still a bit busy. I intended to go over and say hi to your family this evening, though. Thanks for coming. Please come in. Thanks, Matthew, but you still seem busy with the house. Can I have only a few minutes of your time? We can have a longer chat next time. Okay, what happened, Greg? I just want to say hello and would like to invite you and your family to my place for a barbecue party this Saturday. Oh, sure. When is it? Around 5 p.m. Is there anyone else coming? There will be another 5 neighbors' families. Sounds like a nice event. Is there a special occasion? I got a new outdoor grill, and we would like to meet you and your family too. Okay, see you on Saturday then, Matthew. Thanks for inviting me and my family, Greg. See you. You're welcome. Bye. Bye.
Number 3.
Hey, Susan, what are you doing this weekend?
I didn't have any big plans.
We are putting together a birthday party for Mary. Would you like to join us?
Oh, good. Can I bring anything?
We will be providing hot dogs, hamburgers, and cake, but people can bring side dishes.
That sounds like fun. What time shall I come?
About 8 o'clock.
Oh no, I have an online conference meeting with my teacher about my current project at that time. Sorry, I can't make it.
It's okay. Let's come when you finish.
I'll try.
Number 4.
Hello, Julia. How are you getting on? It's been a long time since we last met.
Oh, hi, Paul. Very well, thank you. How about you?
Not too bad. Do you know what you're going to do this weekend?
I am going to see a movie with a friend of mine. What about you?
I don't know.
Would you like to see a movie with me and my friend?
Nice. I'd love to. Do you know what movie you're going to watch?
I don't know. There are many interesting films on the list. We can decide later.
Okay. Where shall we meet?
How about at my house?
Sounds good. What time shall I come?
About 6 o'clock. Is it okay for you?
Great. I'll be there. Bye for now.
Bye. See you at the weekend.
Number 5.
Would you like to come and watch a game of basketball with me tomorrow?
Thank you. I'd love to. What time does the game start?
The game is going to start at 5 p.m.
I will come and pick you up around 3:30. Is that okay with you?
That's fine. I hope it will be a fun game to watch.
Okay, finish. Finish ya. Sudah? Sudah. Oke, sekarang kita bahas. Silahkan.
Inviting others. Number 1.
Hi Peter, how are you?
Nanti kalau misalnya ada ekspresi yang sudah kalian temukan, bilang stop ya.
I heard that you won the first prize in the chemistry contest. Congratulations. I couldn't be better. Thanks, Peter. I'm having a party this weekend to celebrate the prize. I would love for you to...
Yang keras dong. Oke, jangan ragu-ragu ya. So, from this video, di mana letak kalimat atau ekspresi of inviting someone? Raise your hand, please. Okay, loudly. Okay, good job. I would love for you to come if you can make it. Okay, is it right? The others? Right. Okay, so the answer is?
Of course.
Stop. Okay. Yang mana? Raise your hand, Zakia. Okay, of course I love to join. Okay. Is there any incorrect? Ada yang salah? Oke, benar semua ya? Oke, sekarang.
Love to join. Where and when?
Number 2. Silakan bilang stop jika kalian sudah menemukan jawabannya ya.
Hi, it's me, Greg, your neighbor. Hi, Greg. How are you? I'm Matthew. Great, and you? I'm good. My family just moved in yesterday, so we are still a bit busy. I intended to go over and say hi to your family this evening, though. Thanks for coming. Please come in. Thanks, Matthew, but you still seem busy with the house. Can I have only a few minutes of your time? We can have a longer chat next time. Okay, what happened, Greg? I just want to say hello and would like to invite you and your family to my place.
Okay, stop. Jangan ragu-ragu ya. Ya kan, say stop gitu ya. Stop me, stop gitu. Okay, so from this dialogue, Where is the expression of invite someone? Okay, Siva? Okay, good. Any other opinion? Ada yang lain? Okay, agree? Okay. Jadi dari dialog yang ini, yang merupakan ekspresi invite someone-nya yang would you like to invite you and your family to my place for a BBQ party this Saturday. So the answer
For a
is
barbecue party this Saturday. Oh, sure. When is it?
okay, stop. Oh, sure. Okay, good job. Okay, number 3.
We are putting together a birthday party for Mary.
Okay, stop. Which one? Okay, would you like to join us? Is it correct?
Yes.
Correct. Okay.
Join us.
The response is?
Oh, good. Can I bring anything?
Okay. Oh, good. Ya, begitu. Oke, ini pinter-pinter nih. Okay, number 4.
It's been a long time since we last met.
Oh, hi, Paul. Very well, thank you. How about you?
Not too bad. Do you know what you're going to do this weekend?
I am going to see a movie with a friend of mine. What about you?
I don't know.
Would you like to see a movie with me and my friend?
Okay, stop. Which one?
Would you like to see a movie with me and my friends?
Okay, would you like to see a movie with me and my friends? So the answer is the...
Nice. I'd love to. Do you know what movie?
Yang mana? Nice, I'd love to. Ya, begitu. Berarti dia mengajak, menerima atau menolak? Menerima. Okay.
You're going to watch? Thank you.
Okay, number 5.
Would you like to come and watch a game of chess?
Oke, ini ada di awal ya. Langsung mengajak. Would you like to come and watch a game of basketball with me tomorrow? So its response is
Thank you. I'd love to.
Okay, thank you. I'd love to. Kira-kira accepting atau declining? Accepting. Okay. Benar semua? Okay, give applause. Okay, now I will give you worksheet. Please share your friends. Bagian sebelahnya. Okay, read the dialogue below, then compare the formal and informal expression of inviting someone by pay attention to social function or purpose and structure of sentence. Jadi, silahkan baca ya dialog di bawah ini, ada dialog 1 dan dialog 2. Kemudian, silahkan kalian bandingkan formal, mana yang formal ya, mana yang informal expression. Ya. Dan kemudian kalian perhatikan itu kira-kira dialognya tentang apa. Ya, ada social function-nya apa, begitu ya. Di lembar kedua, there is table. Write down the social function, formal and informal expression of inviting based on the dialogue above, ya, into the table below. Jadi di sini ada nomor 1, ada social functionnya. Dialog 1 atau dialog 2, silahkan dibandingkan. Yang dialog 1 itu apa? Formal atau informal? Silahkan kalian letakkan sesuai dengan tabelnya. Ya, ada formal expression, ada informal expression. Tentang apa social functionnya? Misalnya tentang mengundang seseorang makan malam. Kalian tulis di sini. Invite someone to dinner, misalnya begitu. Ya. And then structure-nya yang mana? Yang formal, misalnya nomor 1, kalian rasa ini adalah informal invitation, so you can put in informal invitation table, begitu. You get the point? Paham ya? Silakan dikerjakan. Don't forget to write your name. Paham ya? Jadi yang kalian tulis hanya ekspresi mengajaknya saja. Seperti tadi yang di video tadi ya. Jadi kan itu ada banyak. Benny and I are going to go out for dinner tonight. Would you like to join us? Nah, silakan cari mana yang ekspresi mengajak atau mengundang. Silakan tulis di kolom sebaliknya. Remember how to invite someone in formal situation or in informal situation ya. Ingat-ingat tadi kira-kira pakai kalimat apa kalau pakai formal, kalau yang informal pakai kalimat seperti apa begitu ya. Ini ditulis tujuannya ya. Tujuan ini kan sebenarnya sama. Jadi antara dua dialog itu intinya sama semua. Hanya beda formal dan informal. Is there any problem? Ada yang kesulitan? Atau ada yang nggak jelas? Nah, ini ditaruh di sini, Mbak. Oke, put here. Ya. It is social function or purpose, tujuannya. Jadi tentang apa dialognya? Silakan letakkan di sini. Baru ekspresinya letakkan di sini. Yang formal mana, yang informal mana. Ini nggak usah. Responnya nggak usah. Gitu ya. Nah, ini letakkan dia would you like to join us, formal or informal? Oke, if formal you can put here. Begitu ya. Put here. Oke, this for social function or purpose. Tentang apa? Dialog ini tentang apa? Tentang? So you put here. You get it? Okay. Any problem? Okay. If any problem, you can ask me. Mana?
My friends asked a little bit confused to fill this table.
Oh, ya. Ini kan social functionnya, ya. Jadi kalian tinggal nulis. Ini percakapannya tentang apa? Dinner. So you can put here. Okay. The purpose of dialogue. Apa maksudnya dari ini? So you can write structure of sentence. The expression of invite someone yang mana? Dari kedua ini. Yang ini ya. Ini sama yang ini. Okay. Would you like to join us? Is it formal or informal?
Formal.
If formal, you can put it in formal expression table, berarti di sini, ya. So it is informal invitation. So you can put here informal invitation, berarti yang di sini. Begitu, sayang. Ini siapa? Oke. Mudah ya? It's very easy.
This one, how to answer? Yang bisa, would you or yang
yang ini.
Would you only?
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
Good job. Sudah mau selesai. Have you finished? Not yet. I think is it easy for you guys? Yeah. Just focus in expression of invitation. Di situ Miss letakkan respon ya. Ada yang menerima dan menolak. Oke, finish ya. Finish? Okay. Finish. Okay, good. Okay, let's we discuss about it. For the first, who will try to read and answer this dialogue? Okay, Nisa, please.
Number 1. The
Okay.
social function is inviting someone to go out for dinner.
Okay.
The structure of sentence is the formal expression is would you like to join us?
And then?
And the informal expression is how about join us?
Okay. Is it correct? Correct, yeah? Okay. So, the first one, the social function from this dialogue is to invite someone to dinner tonight. Oke, jadi tentang apa? Tentang mengundang seseorang dalam acara makan malam. Oke. So which one informal expression? Yang informal adalah oke, how about joining us? So the formal expression of inviting is would you like to join us? Okay. Any other incorrect? Ada yang salah? Betul semua? Okay. We are going to number 2. Who will try? Zakia? Okay. Okay, invite someone to birthday party. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. The response of formal expression. Yang mana yang formal expressionnya? Okay, we should be delighted if you could come to my birthday party in dialogue 2. Di dalam dialog yang kedua, ya, itu untuk yang formal. So, the informal expression is okay, you must come to my birthday party. Jadi kita langsung ngajak ya. Kamu harus datang ke acara ulang tahunku begitu ya. Nah, itu untuk yang informal invitation. Okay, good job. And then the third, who will try? Aisyah? Siapa? Kisa. Oh ya, Kisa. Okay. Invite someone to do project together. Okay. So, the formal expression is
would you like to do this project together tonight?
Okay. Yang formal adalah would you like to do this project tonight? So, the informal expression? Okay, let's do this project together. Jadi, yang informal pakai let's, and then yang formal pakai would you like to. Okay, good job. Number 4. Who will try? Okay, Shifa, please.
The social function of number 4 is inviting someone to go to the canteen. And the structure of the sentence, formal expression for inviting is, would you like to go to the canteen with me?
Okay. And then the informal?
Informal is let's go to the canteen.
Okay. Ini adalah dialog tentang ajakan ke kantin, ya. Okay. Formal invitation-nya adalah would you like to go to canteen with me, and then informalnya let's go to the canteen. Okay. The last number. Okay. Yeah, to take a picture. Invite someone, yeah, ask someone to take a picture. The formal?
Would you like to take a picture?
Okay, would you like take to a picture?
Informal expression. Could you take a picture?
Okay, could you take a picture? Okay. Sit, easy ya, easy. Now, please listen carefully and then focus. I will show you a video.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You look so happy today.
Yeah, today is my birthday.
Really? Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you. Would you like to come to my birthday party tonight?
Oh, I'd love to come. Where will be the party held?
At Rainbow Cafe at 8 p.m.
Okay. Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. See you at my party.
See you soon.
Oke, tentang apa? Oke, invite someone to birthday party. Oke, kira-kira itu tadi menolak atau menerima aja kan? Menerima ya, accepting of invitation. So now I will divide you into some groups. Ya, so you have to make dialogue ya. Bersama grupnya nanti membuat dialog about invitation, tentang undangan ya, tentang mengajak seseorang ya. Jadi silakan nanti Ibu bagi ya, Miss bagi beberapa kelompok menjadi beberapa kelompok. Silahkan membuat dialog ya, membuat dialog. Kemudian nanti kalian peragakan tanpa membawa teks. So you can practice it ya. Jadi kalian praktekkan. Tentang apa? Tentang terserah kalian. Mau ngajak ke kantin, mau ngajak nonton, mau ngajak apa terserah ya. Nanti silakan didiskusikan ya. Nah, Ibu bagi ada yang membuat formal invitation, ada yang membuat informal invitation. Oke. Silakan nanti kursinya digeser aja ya. Kursinya aja, mejanya nggak usah. Kursinya aja digeser. Nanti Ibu bagi 3 orang. Oke. Begini. Ini siapa? Naura ke tempat Nisa sana, ini ke sini. Bisa nggak? Ini aja ya. Ini ke sini. Mbak ke situ. Nah, ke sini. Siva ke sini. Geserin lagi, Mbak. Mejanya barengan ya, mejanya barengan. Bisa dari samping ya, bisa dari samping begini. Nah ini berempat, nggak apa-apa. Berempat. Oke, silakan digeser aja. Nah, sini loh Mbak. Hey you, sini, sebelah sini aja. Sebelah sini aja, biar enak di situ nggak ada enak. Pakai meja yang ini aja maksudnya. Silakan tulis di your book ya. Write in your book. Jadi semua ada peran. Ya, semua ada peran. Silakan kalian setting bagaimana mau undangnya seperti apa. Okay, now make a dialogue that consists of the expression of invite someone to do something based on the topic that you chosen. Jadi terserah kalian topiknya apa, ya. Ibu bagi hanya formal dan informalnya saja ya. Nanti grupnya siapa? Grupnya Syifa. Grup Syifa silakan buat informal, jadi sama teman. Grupnya Nisa formal. Grup yang itu informal. Yang ini formal, yang ini informal. Oke ya. Informal, formal, informal, formal, informal. Oke? Silakan tentang apa saja terserah. Watching movie boleh, swimming together boleh, atau mau playing badminton, okay, or watching Korean movie maybe. After you write a dialogue in your book, so you can remember it. Yeah, just remember and practice in front of your friends. Ya, nanti maju, silakan berdialog tanpa membawa buku. Make it simple, guys. Make it simple. Nggak usah tegang.
Dari topik.
How about barbecue party? It's okay, it's okay. Watching konser. It's okay. Oh yeah, okay. I'm sorry. Well, we must make a deal. Mau berapa waktunya?
Without time. Don't give the time. Without time.
No, without time. 10 minutes enough?
No.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Wow, 1 minute enough. Yeah. Oh, minimal 1 minute, maksimal 2 minutes. Oh. So excellent pokoknya ya. Okay, let's make it fast. You can accept or declining ya. You can accept or refuse your friends. Jadi nggak selalu diterima, nggak apa-apa. Kalian menolak jika ada sesuatu ya, something busy or there is other plans maybe. Ya, enggak apa-apa. Oke. Boleh loh ada adegannya begitu. Misalnya batu-batu gitu ya. I'm not very well or I'm not feeling well today. Begitu ya.
And how about Shala? I'm not feeling well today.
Yeah, I'm not feeling well.
I'm sorry, I'm not feeling well. What happened? Are you getting sick? Yeah.
Just right. Okay, 2 minutes again. Finish? Finish. Okay.
Chicken party ya. Chicken party.
1 minute. One minute to go. Jam berapa?
Jam berapa?
Held. HELD. When the party is held. Diadakan.
Wait, siapa first? I'm very happy. Anak-anak. You feel happy kan anak? Anak-anak. And how about you, Siva?
And how
Finish? Can I read? You can play role play, bermain peran. So without your books,
Already. Because so easy.
easy. Finish? Finish? Okay, dear, finish. Finish.
Let's go.
Who will try? Which group? 5 group?
Useless. Would you? If not useless. One. Do you want? Would you like to? Do you want to?
Do you want
Informal.
for informal?
Would you
formal?
Would you formal?
Do you want informal?
Okay, please.
Would you like?
5th group. Let's go. Come forward. Come forward. Sini kali.
Let's join.
Your book? Where is your book?
Let's join us.
Okay, the other friends, please look at your friends too.
Let's I think like this. How about you?
Okay.
How about?
Loudly ya, loudly. Agak ke sini nggak? Sini. Agak ke tengah. Oke, stop. Loudly please. Yang keras suaranya. Oke. Pakai body language juga boleh ya. Okay, enough? Okay, give applause for 5th group. Okay, so Vina, Kesha, Kisa, and Faras want to make birthday party. Ya, siapa yang ulang tahun ini? Naila. Oke, Faras yang mau ulang tahun. So tadi mereka yang mengajak pertama siapa? Dengar nggak tadi? Siapa yang mengajak pertama? Kisa ya. Let's go to Faras birthday party. Dia yang pertama mengajak ya. Kemudian yang lainnya menerima atau menolak? Menerima, betul. Oke, thank you. Oke. The other groups who will try? Nisa's group or Siva groups? Saima? Don't be shy. Oke, make it fast. Siapa yang mau?
Yeah, after getting started, I have planned.
Okay, Nisa, yuk. 1 minute enough. Enough. So please come forward. Okay, please come forward. For the other students, please listen carefully. You can improve. You can improve your understanding. Your book, please. Okay. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Auntie, hi Auntie. Okay. Oke, Afra as a mother, ya, seorang ibu dia. Oke, mother, doctor, and auntie. Oke, please start now. Oke. Waalaikumsalam.
There are ingredients like salt, eggs, and butter. And mom, would you like to make cake now for myself? It's good idea. Let's have to blend sugar and another stuff.
Okay, give applause for the third group. Okay, please come in. Okay, ya. Bagus ya? Bagus, but apa yang perlu dikoreksi? Suaranya kurang keras ya. Ya, don't be shy ya. Keluarkan saja suaranya, sudah bagus itu ya. Tadi tentang apa? The third group tentang make cake ya. Mereka mau buat kue ya. Anaknya pengen buat kue. Kemudian mengajak ibunya dan tantenya ya mau buat kue. Kita ke supermarket katanya. Mau beli bahan-bahan kue. Oke, thank you for third group. Oke, once more. Siapa yang mau? Siva group or Saima? Or Zakia? Yuk Siva yuk. Siva group. Once more enough. 1 minute enough. 2 minutes is maximal. Make a dialogue. So?
No, not make a dialogue.
Oh.
You make a dialogue, I think.
I'm waiting for you.
Ayo Siva. Okay, come forward please. You can wow gitu. Nah. Okay, please come forward. Shiva and friends. Your books. Sepuluh ya? Mana tadi bukunya? Okay.
Already broken his
It's no problem. Okay, please listen carefully. Your friends will perform.
Hi guys. Hello. How are you today? I'm great. Are you getting sick, Arwa? Yes. I'm getting sick. And how about you, Shiva? I'm very happy today. Why? Yeah, because of me and my family have chicken party today. Wow. And how about joining me tonight? Yes, of course I will be there. I'm sorry, Shiv. I want to go because I want to go to the hospital tonight. Yes, no problem, Marwa. And Marhama, I'm waiting for you. Of course I will be there. And thank you for inviting us. Yeah, welcome.
Okay, give applause. Oke, powerful ya, dia sakit begitu ya. Jadi tentang apa tadi untuk grup pertama? Invite, ya, invite her friend to join chicken party. Oke, ada yang menolak dan ada yang menerima. Siapa yang menerima? Alma. Yang menolak? Alma. Kenapa dia menolak? Karena sakit, ya, dia sakit. Oke, good job. Yeah, so very nice your. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, students, today we have already learned about expression of invite someone to do something. So, how to invite someone? We can use what you like and then let's. Itu secara garis besarnya ada dua. What you like for formal invitation and then let's for informal invitation. When we use it, kapan kita menggunakannya? Okay, if we want to invite someone or maybe our friends and then someone that we know well, so we can use informal invitation. But if we want to invite someone that you don't know well or maybe the older people, ya, orang yang lebih tua, so you can use formal invitation. Ya, kita bisa menggunakan what you like, ya, begitu, atau what you come please, begitu ya. Oke, is it clear for you? Ya, paham ya? Kita sudah belajar tentang expression of inviting someone, begitu. Oke, well, that's all for today. For next week, we will continue our lessons about greeting card. So prepare it, prepare it well, and let's closing our meeting by saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. And then doa kafaratul majelis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again.